Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So the look that I'm doing in this video is based off of a look that Deepika Padukone was wearing in the movie Piku. It's one of my favorite movies that she's done, and I really like the look when she was basically getting ready for a party, and you see her with like these thickly lined eyes, both upper and lower waterlines and lash lines. Um, just like really pretty. I love that look on her. So I am basically pushing gel liner on my waterlines here. I'm using a very soft angled brush for it. You have to make sure that the brush is really soft, otherwise, any sort of hard or spiky bristles might hurt your eyes. So, make sure that your brush is really soft if you're using a gel liner, otherwise, a normal, just like a pencil eyeliner, will do as well. Then I am using a very soft just like a small soft synthetic brush to buff the liner out. I'm pushing the gel liner right now in my lash line, and then you see me use this brush to smoke it out. And this sort of a look is really easy to do. You just need to have maybe one or two brushes, and you can just use your kajal pencil to do whatever I'm doing right now, and then just take a brush and then just like smudge the edges out. And you can take it as far as you want to. Like, I relatively keep it near the lash line, but if you have like a slightly bigger brush that I'm using right now, you can take it a little bit more just like down, and when you're using it on your lid, you can just like take it a little up. That's just going to intensify the smokiness, and it's a very easy look to do if you want the impact of a smoky eye but you don't know how to do it yet, so you don't want to experiment. It's really easy. You just even when I'm putting the liner on my lid here, you will see that I'm not being in any way, shape or form just like careful with it. I just like slap it on because I want my lash line to be really black. I don't want any sort of like skin peeking through. So you see me put on the liner, now I'm buffing it out, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do on the other eye as well. You can do it with any color eyeliner, any color eyeshadow. Even if you have eyeshadows, you can do this with anything. And if you don't want to do like a black smoky eye because you're not really like cool with it, you need a little bit more practice, but you need to wear this sort of a look outside, you can do this look. um, blur the sort of like edges with like a brown eyeshadow, and that can be your smoky eye. So you can pair this sort of a look with a nude lipstick, which you will see me do in this video as well. So now I'm just taking off all the excess liner at the back of my hand, and I'm using whatever is left to just like etch out a very soft wing, because I don't want the wing to be very prominent, so I'm not gonna take more product to do it. I'm just gonna stick to whatever little remnants of product there's left on the brush. So I want the wing to be there, I want the wing to give some structure, but I want it to also be like half existent, if that makes sense. Then this is a very small sort of blending brush that I have, that I picked up the shade that I used to contour my face that day. It's just like a mid-tone brown, so that's what I'm running across my eyelid. I did not use any sort of eyeshadows for this look. It's just the stuff that I used to contour, and the shade that I use was in the Tartist Pro Glow Pro Contour, something like that palette. So it's the same stuff that is on my cheeks. So I'm putting it all over the lid because I like how it just brings like a little depth to the eyes, and I'm also focusing on the edge of the liner because I really want it to fade. I don't want any harsh lines. And now I think I'm just touching up the waterlines, because my waterline area is like really sensitive. Anytime I start to put like eyeliners, my eyes water. Now I'm just putting on some mascara. You can definitely pair this look with the lashes. It's gonna look really nice. I just wanted to stick to my own lashes. that day. And this is a step that you can do to just like amp up the look. You don't have to do it. You can just stop where you smoke out the liner and not even put the brown stuff that I did. um, I just use it to because it's got like a golden sort of shimmer throughout it. That product that I used, it's from Chambord, by the way. It's like a stick eyeshadow. I put it on and I just like smudged it out with my finger, and just makes it look a little bit more like complex. It makes it look like you put in a lot of work for your eyes when you did not. And this was the same Maybelline lip liner that I keep talking about. The lipstick is from L'Oreal. I'll mention all the products in the description box. And this is the Becca Champagne Pop highlighter. Probably my favorite highlighter ever. Till I don't buy any more, this is the favorite one. And I really just like regretted putting it on later, because I had like a huge pimple on this cheek, and it just got like highlighted after I put on the highlight, and I was like, I shouldn't have done that. Anyway, that's the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.